Murr Elektronik knows how integral it is to have a flexible and reliable switch mode power supply in your control cabinet. That's why they've created an impressive power supply product line that will fit into any budget. Whether it's the EcoRail 2-1 phase power supply, the Emparro 67 one-phase power supply, the Emparro one-phase 2-channel power supply, or the many more power supply options Murr Elektronik offers, you know that you'll be getting certified, well-engineered products that give you constant output voltages for your system, regardless of input voltage changes. Suited for applications in the processing industry, as well as the shipbuilding and machine tool building industry, these power supplies come with a wide input voltage range and many ratings and approvals, making them safe for applications across the world. For more information on Murr Elektronics and their lines of products, visit us at galco.com.